Hi all, welcome to my YouTube channel Masters in Selenium, and I am your Ramesh. Today we are going to learn how to write a Java program to reverse the given phone number or mobile number by using for loop and while loop. Okay. Before writing the code, we will understand how exactly this logic should be implemented. Okay, in the code. Okay, let's start. I am using the Eclipse here. A notepad. Okay, so this is a number we need to reverse 9742624918. So this should be reversed in this way. Okay, and list of the variables or a list of variables we need to take to be used. Use our program code. Okay, so one. So as we are dealing with the phone number and mobile, the data type we need to use is long. Okay, and num. Okay, what I'm using here, and I have to type, and so this will act as input. So I have to use L here as you are dealing with long data type. So L. Okay, so this will as input, and need to store the output, right? Long num equal to, so I'm initializing with 0. I tell you why we are initializing with 0. Okay, so it will act as output. Okay, instead we are taking these two variables. Okay, so coming for the formula or logic to be used in our code or program. Okay, the logic we need to use. Okay, see, so in this number, first of all I need to extract 8. Okay, so how can I do it? See, to extract 8. Okay, and so on. So 8 and 1 and 1 9 8 1 9 4. So I had to extract it. Okay, and it should be like this. Okay, like this we need to get it. Okay, so we need to get the logic so that we can use in our program. First step, it how to get this one. First step is, see, this number I can able to get by using the, in Java we have a operator called modulo. So I will divide this number by 10 by module by 10. Okay, so what will the output here? Take this number and module 10. So what will there is output? 8. Okay, and the next I'll take here and module 10. What is the output? 1, and so on. Take here module 10, output will be 9. Okay, so this thing I need to get it. Okay, so on I'll get it. Okay, And how can I achieve this one? By using module. Okay, the first logic I need to use is step number 1. Okay, step number what logic I have to use? Find the remainder of the given phone number by using modulo operator. Okay, using operator. So this is the first step I need to use. So this is the first step I need to use. So you implement logic. The first step we had to use. So I had to get it. So what the formula I had to use here to achieve this one? Okay. So I declare one variable here. Long remainder equal to number modular 10. Okay. This is the logic I need to use here. Okay. So that if I divide 9742624918 divided by 10, I'll get 8 remainder. Okay, and like on. Okay, so this is the logic I have to use. First one, the first step. Okay, second step, what logic I had to use? Okay, we'll take one. Second step. Okay, and after getting this one, I will take this one here. So, this one, and after getting this one, I need to concatenate it, right? I had to add it here. Okay, how I can able to add here? So it should become 81 here, and here it should be 918 and so on. So how I can achieve this one? Okay, so we have to use logic called rev num equal to rev num to 10 less remainder. See how it works. Okay, here can you see my rev num? Okay, now what will be here? 0 to 10. As I initialize this rev number as 0 here, so 0 to 10 plus remainder. What is my remainder here? 8. Okay, so what will it be? 0 plus 8. The output will be 8. Okay, so we got 8 here. Okay, and next step, what will be this one? 8 into 10 plus remainder. What is remainder here? 1. Okay, what will the output? What will our output? 80 plus 1. So what will the output will be? 81. Okay, so I got it like this. And in third step, what will be this one? So what is my rev here? Rev number 81, 10 plus what is remainder? 9. Okay, what will my output here? Output 810 plus 9. Output will be 819. So this is the output. So we have to use this formula. Okay, now number into 10 by remainder. So this is the formula I have to use. So what I am doing here, multiply the real number. I can use any variable here into 10 and add the remainder. Okay, so the code will be like this. Okay, now my step number 3, what I had to implement. Okay, so in this is step, copy this step here, it can easy to understand. And step number 3, so I need to step number 3 one. Okay, this step number 3. And after removing this 8, the remaining will be, this is the one, right? This is my number. Okay, how can I get this number? Okay, num divided by 10. Okay, so what will the logic here? This one, sorry, 1 divided by 10. What will the output? So this is the output. Okay, so from this number I had done the modular, I got the remainder. Okay, for going to next step, okay, what I am doing here, by the number divided by 10, what will the output? This one. So I am removing the 8 here. Okay, and now this number will be here. You see here, this number, it will be this number. Okay, and now this one, I got this one, right? Okay, and this number 97426249 divided by 10. What is the value? So 1 will go away. So this is the value. That's it. So this is the way. So how can I write the formula for this one? Okay, the same thing here. Okay, this is the one I get it. So what is the formula I get it? Num is equal to num divided by 10. This is the formula I need to implement. Okay, in step number 3, what is the step number 3 will be? Divide the number by 10, and the code will be, this is the code. The code. Okay, this is the code. So this is the explanation. Okay, and the code will look like this. Long reminder and rev number is equal to rev number into 10 plus reminder and number is equal to number by 10. So this is the formula. This is the formula logic we need to implement. The logic to be implemented. The code. Okay, and what is looping condition? What loop condition I had to use? So this process I had to use for 10 times, right? So what will be the loop process will be? Num not equal to 0. Till then it has to loop. Okay, this is a logic we need to implement. Okay, this is logic and these are the variables and this is loop condition. Okay, let's see. We'll implement this logic, whatever we have explained here. These 3 steps we will need to implement here by using this logic and this formula and loop condition. Okay, let's start. So we are dealing with mobile number, so we have to use data type like a long long num phone number, say 9742624918. That use suffix l. Okay, and now long. So I had to store it right as output. So it should be as a long. Okay, rev number. So I had to initialize with 0. Okay, you know why I had to initialize with 0? So the first condition. See, but achieve this one, if I say 0 into 10 plus 8, so 8 plus 0, 0 plus 8, so it will be 8. So the initialize the value of rev number should be 0. Okay. Okay. Now we are writing this code by using while loop. Okay. Use here while. So what is the condition I'm using here? So I had to iterate for 10 times. So num is not equal to 0. 0. Okay. 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 And what is the logic we need to implement? Long reminder rem is equal to number module 10. So by using this step, what we are implementing? This one. Okay, this one is implementing it. Okay. Next one is the step number 2 you implement. Okay, what is step number 2? Okay, multiply the rev number into 10 and add the remainder. This one. Okay, rev num to 10 plus remainder. Okay, so this is second step. What is second step will be, this is the one. Okay, and third step will be, so num divided by 10. Okay, so what is equal to n divided by 10. So here we declare the variables. Okay, and we are implementing this logic. Okay, here, and the condition is this one. Okay, now write the output statement here. Put the given phone number. Okay, I need to print output. The first of the given phone number. Okay, so num. Okay, let's see. Yeah, see, I have given this number and the output is reversed here. Okay, so this is the logic we need to implement here. Okay, so now we have seen with the while loop. Now we'll create the same with for loop here. Okay, while comment this one. We had to implement the same logic by for loop here. Okay, and as we discussed here, so we had to take two variables. First variable is long number, and what is this one? Taking. Don't forget to add the suffix here. Okay, for phone number, mobile number, we have to use data type of long. Okay, and we store the result, right? Rev num, and we have to initialize with 0. So you know why we have to initialize with 0. Okay, so long. Okay, for loop. So we are not initializing any number here. So I'm bringing blank, And what is the condition here? Looping condition, number not equal to 0. Okay, not equal to 0, and we iterate, right? So we are use this number. Okay, this condition we are using here. Okay, okay. Now two more steps we are. So step number 3 we implement here logic. Okay, step number 3, and step number 1 and 2 here. What is step number 1 here? Long reminder. So what will we have to get it? Long reminder is num module 10. Okay, and what is step number 2? Rev number is equal to rev number to 10 plus reminder. Okay, and right, I'm copying here, typing once again. Okay, so let's see the logic. Okay, what exact logic we are using here? So we declare two variables here, s, and this logic we have used here reminder. Okay, and this one. Okay, so same thing it work here. Okay, first we will take number will be 97426249118 module of 10. So 8. So it will be 8 here, or 8. It will be 8, and this will 0. 0 plus 8. You can see here 8. Okay, and in step number C 8. Okay, and I had to decrease this number, right? I had to remove the 8, so I'm dividing by here. This is the condition I'm adding here. Okay, now I will run and see the code or not. Yes, so the phone number is the given phone number, and reverse of the given phone number. Okay, so this is a logic we need to implement. Okay, this logic we need to implement in this one. Okay, this is a way we write the program to reverse the given phone number and or mobile number. Okay, if you like this video, please click on like button and subscribe to my channel, and if you have any comments, please write your comments. Okay, thank you for watching.